Here are questions from the Grade 12 Advanced Mathematics that appeared in 2024 National Examinations. We will look at questions 6 and 7 of this paper. Before we go on, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay updated. Let us begin. Question 6. We are asked to express the sum of two logarithms as a single logarithm, log of xy over wz plus log of wz over x. Looking at the options, we have a, log of wz, b, log of x, c, log of y, log of x over y. Now let's work through the solution carefully. Step 1. We use the product rule of logarithms, which states that log a plus log b equals log of a times b. Step 2. Applying this rule, we combine the two logarithms into one, log of xy over wz multiplied by wz over x. Step 3. Now we simplify the argument of the logarithm. Notice that wz appears in both the numerator and the denominator, so they cancel out. We are left with xy over x, which simplifies further to just y. Therefore, the entire expression simplifies to log of y. Looking back at the options, the correct answer is C, log of y. Now let's solve question 7. We need to solve the quadratic equation. The square of 2x plus 3 equals negative 8x minus 15. The options are A, x equals 3 and x equals 2. B, x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 2. C, x equals negative 3 and x equals 2. X equals 3 and x equals negative 2. Let's solve it step by step. Step 1. First, expand the left-hand side. 2x plus 3 squared equals 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Step 2. Move every term to the left-hand side so the equation equals 0. This gives us 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 plus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Step 3. Combine like terms. 4x squared plus 20x plus 24 equals 0. Step 4. Divide the entire equation by 4. We obtain x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Step 5. Now factorize the quadratic. X squared plus 5x plus 6 factors as x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. Therefore, the solutions are x equals negative 2 or x equals negative 3. Looking at the options, the correct answer is B, x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 2.